said, we're back, same track. Let me give this a little tilt, twist, somewhere. Come up it, let's see if I go down it. We'll head to the next section. I'm just picking this freestyling this shit. See something, I'll do it. Come on, Gen 2. Should have took it. Didn't take it. Back down the wrong way up. Come on, Chris. Fucking about a wheelie. I gotta push the body forward or something. But wheelies. Too easy. Okay, I'm moving the branch that's holding the stick that's going over the track. Yeah. Tip, 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 top. Quit shaking the tree that's holding the camera. Kind of easier going back down. Coming up the fucking hill. Drag that stick with. Get up! No! Get up! It's up. It's up. And back over. Let's see. Can I see it from here? That fucking no drag brake, man. I gotta hold up. I'll hold up on that bitch. I'm gonna break that bitch. Oh, yeah. Okay, clutch is spinning. Don't spin the clutch on the grass. Cement. It's got good traction, but I ain't gripping. That's a blacktop. Cement. Stop it a little bit. Round 2. Beast. XL,